This is Rayhatesyou2, and you can see I'm not in my own location anymore. I'm in my friend's location because one, we are shooting a video and we're doing an unboxing. Elmo's package! Okay, so this should be interesting. You're not going to be seeing me for the rest of the video. You're going to be seeing someone else undo the package. So, enjoy.
Okay, how you doing, guys? We're going to be unpackaging this, I guess a mystery package for now. So, without further ado, let's go. Let's go. This is Elmo's package, obviously. Oh, yeah.
This is the first time I'm actually behind my camera.
Okay. Let's start then. Okay, guys. Got a charging cable. Got a case. Earbuds. And the important thing.
Nah, that's not important.
The OnePlus 7 Pro. And the 30 warp charger.
Hey, nuts.
And just off.
Yeah, I'm not putting that on camera.
Fuzzy. Okay, guys.
What do you want to unbox first?
Actually, I want to unbox this thing first because I want to see exactly how these things work.
Okay, go.
I'm breaking.
Watch she breaks it.
Let's see. Ooh, this looking nice though. It's looking nice.
Not bad.
Don't break it.
Hey, you see? Buds for life. Best buds for life.
Yeah. Elmo and Stepan.
Excuse me.
You got a little pamphlet.
And how it works. Not bad, not bad. There's a vibe.
Actually looking nice though. It's actually good headphones. Looks so far as good.
And then after crappy iPhone headphones. Speaking of iPhone, we have an iPhone user.
Excuse me. This is discrimination.
How's the discrimination?
Excuse me. We have an unboxing video. Take.
Yeah, I can make fun of the iPhone user.
Excuse me, sir. There's nothing wrong with an iPhone.
There's always a lot of things wrong with it. It's expensive.
Okay.
And it also comes with changeable.
It comes with Elmo secret stuff.
Elmo's drugs.
Don't worry. Okay. So far we got everything.
Alright, just chuck it to the other side. Chuck the garbage to the side. The other side.
No, it's to
I'll just expect you to just...
that's for the you.
Okay, and the version I got was the Nebula Blue OnePlus 7 Pro with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, how do I open this?
You just stab it right through the box.
I hope you don't get the phone.
No, that's part of the process. You gotta stab right through the phone.
Yeah, the phone comes with a launcher.
My God, this is looking nice though.
You took off the condom.
It is now soiled. You're taking it to virginity.
Alright, calm down.
You know, I should play the opening, the drum music when he opens the box. I can actually get that.
Yeah, put that in the video. Post credit.
Oh man.
I think that's the instruction guides.
No, that's,
Oh, actually,
that's
no.
screen protector.
Oh, it is?
No, case.
Ooh, another case.
Oh, I thought it was screen protector.
Okay, see-through.
Can it see through the window of my heart?
I mean, what
Ooh, it's an invitation letter. Hold up.
It's a black hole. Okay, now you must read it. I know.
Oh God. Let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for technology. Okay,
Yes, we want to bore
okay, well, thank you.
We want to bore your readers.
Yeah.
Readers? But I'm not publishers.
What, you're not? Are you not ASMR? You want to read?
Oh,
No, this is not an ASMR channel.
Oh God.
This
Okay,
will
we
never-
got the SIM tray thing.
This will never be an ASMR channel.
They're pretty popular now.
I don't care if they're popular. They're weird.
Especially the food ones.
That's weird.
Okay, just instruction manual, I guess. And a sticker.
Enough to
Okay.
lay the pointer.
Yeah. Okay, now for the best part, I guess.
Oh, right there. Right there.
You really enjoying yourself? Oh my God.
That's nice. And it has like 6 cameras, I think.
6. Why was a phone with 6 cameras?
One day,
Just look at that.
Look at that handprint on it already at the top.
Hey, but that's a good freaking thing. Look, it got away immediately. So you know that shit's okay.
Imagine they had a color called Elmo Blue.
Almost not blue.
No, that's green skin. Elmo Blue. They name it Elmo Blue.
What's it saying blue?
Yeah.
Damn.
Is there Elmo black too? Elmo rose?
Rose, you mean.
Rosary.
He was
Got
British.
another
And sophisticated. And evil.
Wait, did you get 2 of those?
Purchase that one extra.
You know, in case he loses one.
Oh?
In case he loses one. No one can. He'll lose one.
And a very long wire.
That's actually good, the way they package it.
Other than that, that's everything. Oh yeah, I gotta go on with this. Another one.
So you got 2.
Are these like legitimately the same thing though?
Yeah. Well, look at.
Okay. And I guess another wire, just in case. I guess, yeah. What the? Okay.
That's a different.
That's yeah.
That's different. How long is this wire? Does it say?
Nope. But I'm assuming. Oh, 150 centimeters. Okay.
Not bad. Now just don't lose it.
Don't worry. I got. Where's the other one at?
You already
I
lost,
lost it already. Don't. One moment.
You already lost the wire.
Okay, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. And then I guess we got a case with the OnePlus. More stabbing.
How do you lose the wire already? You just took it out of the box.
I swear to God, I'm probably blind. I'm blind right now. I'm just not even paying attention.
Hey, Elmo has no eyes. That's why. Wait, do you mean that wire right there?
That's the headphones.
It's with a red wire like that,
Actually, hold on.
but in a different way it's shaped. How's that feel?
It's
Yep.
feeling really nice though. Actually, I have to put this on. I have to put this on right now.
Hold on,
actually.
let me feel it.
Where's the other one?
iPhone user, feel this.
It's a case. What does that have to do with an iPhone? We have cases like this too.
But better.
Put everything back.
Don't eat it. Don't eat the stuff. You eat this stuff. I eat you at the window. With the air conditioner. Yeah. Now for the search for the missing wire.
The search. I'm just trying to clean everything up.
Want me to play up the cleanup song?
Clean up. Everybody clean up.
Now let's see if
Okay, so far we got 2 cases. One was bought. This one came with a box.
You have a third one, don't you?
I have a third one, but yes, I do. This one I bought off Amazon, just in case I didn't.
You must unbox
I wasn't
it.
fond of these
You
two.
must unbox it.
I don't even know.
You must unbox everything.
I just unboxed everything, and
it looks
I
like
did
the
it.
clear one, but with some rubber on the side of it.
It looks like the first 2 used fusion.
yeah, basically.
Fusion. Boom. Now,
And
for everyone who's been, ooh, more stuff. There it is.
there it was. It was hiding the whole time. I was paying attention.
Now for the most important thing, does the phone have juice in it?
I'll get the juice.
Not that kind of juice.
And it looks like it does not.
Oh wait, I'm trying to hold it.
Never mind, it does.
Remember, he was an iPhone user, now he's an Android user.
Well, as of now.
As of now, he's an Android user.
Are you enjoying yourself with that laser? Oh. Hi there.
Elmo, it's saying hi.
Start.
I don't want, put his information on this.
Alright, so you have to turn to me.
Yes, I turned to you.
The Apple user in here?
Yeah, the Apple user. How's the Apple user? How's the new iPhone 11
Oh,
come
look,
out?
it's perfect. It's such a perfect phone.
How much was that?
Nothing. I didn't pay for this.
And how much? Who paid for it then?
No one did.
How much was it?
We got it for free.
How much is it actually?
I don't care. We got it for free.
$1,000.
That's nice and all, but how much did you pay for this?
Less than that.
By how much?
Less.
By how much?
Less.
No. How by how much?
Less.
By how much?
So you're gonna buy the new iPhone 11, aren't you?
No. What the hell? This is staying for like 3-4 years. What do you mean?
No, it's coming out.
No, this phone's gonna stay here for 3-4
Nope.
years. I've had the 7 for 3 years before
it's a
this.
7. I thought you got the 10.
No, this is a 10. I had a 7 before this.
You're gonna get the 11.
Nah.
Somehow, some way, you are gonna get the 11.
Plus 11 sounds stupid.
What? How does it sound stupid? This one up, one number up.
Exactly.
The 10.
But the 11 just sounds stupid.
Why you hating on the 11?
Plus, he's not even doing any information. He's doing date and time.
Still,
No, I
information was earlier. Now, have you never, activate a phone by yourself?
Yes, I know. I know how to activate a phone by yourself.
Wait, sorry. You iPhone users are, everything's done for you because you can't handle anything.
Ah, yeah, exactly. It's easy.
Pretty much swamp. You privy people.
Privy people. It's just one click, everything's done. What the hell? I don't want to do extra work.
That's why iPhone users are weak.
No, just lazy.
Exactly. Weak and lazy.
I said, nah, just lazy.
Weak and lazy.
Just lazy.
Weak and lazy.
I will cut you.
That's my knife.
Exactly, I cut you with your knife. Why would you give it?
You want to have a knife fight?
You know what?
Come on.
I got a bigger knife.
Bro, you're going too hard.
You're
Going too hard.
Let's go. I got a bigger knife.
What is this? This ain't fucking a movie.
I got a bigger knife.
We're not exploring the desert.
Why not?
Why do you even have something like that?
I bought this at a medieval fair. Calm down.
Oh, you also go to those.
It looked nice and it was only $30. Alright,
Okay.
get back to the show.
Get back to the show.
Ooh, the antlers look nice.
Okay. I gotta get used to this too now.
It's funny how your taste is.
I'm used to Android products.
Okay.
You must tell them all the secrets.
Tell him all the secrets.
How does it feel for you? like the swiping moving thing.
It's just like an iPhone. You swipe and shit. What the hell's the
And yet,
difference?
iPhone just finally got the swipe to text.
Which is I'm never gonna use because that sounds stupid.
It saves a lot of time texting people.
It does not.
It does.
It does not.
Yes, it does.
It does not.
You iPhone users are way behind Android.
For swipe and text.
Actually, I think your OnePlus 7 is actually bigger than your phone.
Well, yeah, it's a newer phone.
No, phones are bigger than that.
Oh, no notch is what I like, honestly.
Yeah. No stupid notch. Your iPhone users have a notch.
Okay.
Okay, now about the camera though.
Let's see.
What do you
Oh,
care
that's
about
fine.
the camera?
Steven, the camera's actually looking nice. What do you mean?
Alright, Dad, you must take a bunch of selfies of yourself now.
Yo,
You must take a bunch of selfies of yourself now.
you see this? That shit look nice.
It just pops out.
You're really that impressed by that?
Look, iPhone users, because you don't have nothing fancy like that. Don't be
Why
hating.
do we need a pop-out camera when we can just have it on the front? What the hell?
That's the pop-up selfie camera.
It's actually really
Goddamn kids and their selfies.
Oh god, that's a wide view.
Yeah,
So normal?
I think this camera has three modes.
Damn, you can see freaking everything now.
You can see all the dirt and grime on his desk.
Excuse me, sir.
There's 2 ways to go home. Swipe up and down and tap on the blank. Okay. This is oh god.
It's gonna get you some time to use it.
Oh yeah.
So, I'll do another video
Okay.
of you saying how you like it in a month or two.
Let me try out the cases.
You're gonna try the Fusion case first.
Jeez, that's gonna be like constantly cloudy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no, there's a screen protector right now.
Yeah.
I haven't taken off the screen protector on this thing. But let me everything's on correctly. Okay, let me try that camera so it doesn't like block the camera.
No, it's not gonna block it.
You know, I was expecting the camera to be like more poppy.
No, you can hear it though at least.
No, it moves out slowly. I was expecting it to pop out actually. Yeah, it moves out like that, but I was expecting like just be there.
Oh well.
You're asking for too much.
I don't know.
So when the iPhone gonna come out with something great?
I don't know what's great.
Actually, no, they have something to look forward to. They got that freaking iOS 13. I kind of want to see what they're going to do with that.
Yeah, iOS 13. Your phone shuts off automatically.
Okay, let's see
What?
this.
You know how iPhone likes to shut down their services, like the battery on
Oh.
old iPhones.
That's any company. What do you mean?
No, only
Apple only got caught. Apple's the only one that got caught.
Apple's lazy. Ooh, that actually looks nice.
It does, but I kind of want to. I like the freaking black of it though. So I don't know. I might have to go. I might just stick with this or
The clear?
yeah. I don't know, cause this thing. I like this one so far because you can actually. There's you can see the corners actually try to protect it. Like as of this is more of a lighter case.
Well, you got like 3 cases. Alright.
Yeah, so I'll see. I have to go try that one now.
And plus, you can always buy more cases.
Oh yeah.
That's money.
Keep going, ball from the bank of you.
My bank is closed. We bankrupt.
No, you never bankrupt.
We bankrupted like a year ago.
You got mafia money.
Okay. I'll try the last case, and I don't know.
The clear case. The case of the clearness.
Oh god.
What, you don't want to get already?
Nah,
That's gonna be handprints all over that shit.
no, not even. I just don't kind of like this kind of clear. Like this one's okay because it's like a little black on that thing, but this I don't know. I mean, it's for anyone that actually wants it, obviously, but
You can always customize the clear case.
I forget the stickers on that shit.
Goddamn stickers.
Nah, I might have to stick with this one. This one actually is nice. Oh, let me try the camera first off. But for this camera's really nice though.
Yeah, you can see all the hairs on Steven.
Yeah, you can even see on him.
What is?
Okay. I really like that camera though. It's like one of the coolest features I think right now.
See, you can't even see me on the camera.
Yeah. Okay. It's nice. It's mad
I
nice.
get blocked. Okay, so you're happy with the phone, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, now check out the window.
Wait, what?
What the?
Chill.
You're gonna surprise the viewers.
No, we're not checking out that phone out
Bro,
the window. We may check your phone out the window.
Yeah, you need a new phone.
And you gonna get chucked right after it.
Like you can chuck me.
Okay.
See?
No violence.
Yeah, YouTube doesn't like violence.
Oh, that's right.
It is
That's
new,
right.
new.
Elmo Kids Stuff Friendly Fun.
No, it's a new policy.
No violence.
You gonna plug in new headphones?
You know,
Oh yeah, no headphone jack, so you have to do.
you know,
you have to deal
iPhone
with
users,
this thing.
Android users are all retarded. They're all just weird
That's
about it, like not making
kinda bad.
a headphone jack anymore.
My phone has a headphone jack.
Honestly, I'm hoping more phones nowadays are actually gonna have them.
My phone has a headphone jack.
Oh yeah, you got
Yeah, but
the
like,
Moto Z.
like no matter what you
4.
were, like why are they choosing no headphone jack
Yeah,
anymore?
but my last phone, the Z3, had no headphone jack.
Honestly, I think what's it
Z4.
called?
Came with a headphone jack.
I don't know. I think what's it called? That's probably due to like being waterproof or such, though. Having a headphone jack, you can't really stop that unless you have like some
If
kind
you have
of.
a charger port, you still get water, and
Yeah.
it's not really safe.
Hey, I mean,
No way you're gonna make it waterproof.
I don't know how they do it,
Make
so
it
I mean,
waterproof.
just made a small force field around it. No water can ever.
Well, that's in the future. And that's probably Japan already making something like that.
Goddamn Japanese.
You know they always have something better than us.
No,
They got mechs.
they got anime.
That's true. They got anime.
They're in comics. I just started a war.
No, yeah, yeah, you just did.
Gee.
Oh boy.
Sorry.
Should I just link your address in this bottom down?
Oh no! Let's just move back toward the video.
Send them all the hate mail to him.
No, let's get the mail.
And I'll put his YouTube channel in the...
I don't have a YouTube channel. Shut up.
I'll put his Facebook and
I don't have a Facebook. I'll shut it down.
Instagram.
Oh my god! Stop.
phone number.
I guess that's everything.
Oh boy. You would have to go and
Wires.
say that.
This. Yeah, I think we're good.
At least you didn't say anything like, you know, more offensive. Like, you know.
Let me stop right there. Okay.
What?
I guess that's it.
You want
I
to say?
start chucking the
you
garbage.
want-
Chucking in the garbage.
Well, so far this phone looks really nice. I like it.
We'll do an update later on, in like a month later,
Yeah.
how you are with the phone.
I mean, the case is still kind of nice though. Like the buttons, they're not delayed.
We'll see if he scratches it, cracks it, loses it,
Comes back is like
Calm down.
down the
Calm
middle.
down.
loses it.
The guys that lost the phone.
Shut up. You bugging now.
Oh yeah.
Does that come with Netflix, by the way?
Yeah, all phones have Netflix already added onto their phone.
Ooh, this is really nice though.
You need to
Yeah,
open
there's
your account.
Netflix automatically.
That's funny.
Any bloatware?
Not as much, actually. Not that many apps I see.
Well, then again, you didn't buy it off of like a store or retail. You got it from this factory made itself. Can you smell that factory smell on it?
Sniff the phone.
Very good.
At least he's not one of those people who like lick the Nintendo cartridges.
Oh. Only 8% actually.
I don't know.
19 gigabytes
That's not bad.
out of 256. I mean, I would say that is kind of bad if you got like the 128
No,
or something.
because that because the whole apps are installing it.
Yeah, 16 gigabytes only for just the system.
Remember, the system takes a space. That's like the Xbox when you download.
The Xbox is like 200 gigs.
It really does.
Or the PlayStation 4.
God.
Or the Nintendo. Wait, how much Nintendo
even
Switch for the space?
I don't even know.
I haven't updated mine in a long time.
I don't know, it's like 100 gigs, I think.
I actually gotta get an SD card for it.
I have one, I think.
You have an extra?
Yeah, they're so really small. I lose them.
Damn.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll be back with a month later, seeing how you like the phone, unless you want to trade it in already for.
To take this back, I don't like it.
I don't know. It looks nice right now.
Mostly, how do you feel about that in a month? So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was an unboxing brought to you by Elmo in a place called Stubborn's house. You want me to use your real names?
Doesn't matter.
Now I'm going to keep you as Elmo, and I'm going to keep you as Stefan the Russian Santa Claus.
The Russian Santa Claus.
God damn it.
We should do more videos like this.
This would be
You
fun.
guys there, me here. Or we could go to, I don't know, Queens.
Oh my God.
We got a place over there to record,
Yeah.
if he ever lets us.
Oh yeah.
Or we can go to New Jersey with,
Tits. We gotta.
Tits.
You're gonna get demonetized now.
I'm not even monetized already, you know
You'll
that?
somehow get me demonetized.
How am I going to get monetized if I'm not already monetized?
You're your age resistant.
I'm already like that.
Actually, I think that would be, yeah.
Fine. What's his other nickname?
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Yeah, we'll go to Cupcake's house. And see his new car that's going to break down.
Yep.
And he bought a newer car. Come on.
Yeah, I don't
That's going to break down easily.
You.
What
Okay.
year was it?
I don't remember.
I actually don't know.
I don't remember.
Whatever year was it, because I know he's going to get something old.
No, he actually got pretty new. I saw.
Was it?
Was it?
Not new, but in the 2000s.
Okay.
It's
We'll finish up the video first.
fine, I think. There we go. So, yeah. This has been Rayhatesyou2 featuring Elmo and Stefanish.
Keep changing my name.
I gotta pick a name somehow. So,
Okay.
stay tuned for more videos, more Jane, and more unboxing on this channel. Subscribe to Rayhatesyou2. Leave a like and a comment. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Whatever.